When you go to flush your toilet, does the water just keep running and your tank doesn't fill up? Or has this happened when people in your family are home and you're not home to fix it and the toilet's running? You come home after an hour or two and you're wasting water in your home. Your water bill's going up, your waste consumption is going up, or if you live in a rural area like I do, your well pump is running continuously to keep up with the water demand and the tank is not filling. So basically your toilet just continuously flushing. Has this ever happened? Hey, my name's Roland. Welcome to Getting It Done Budget Home Repairs. I'm going to show you some things right now to help you with that and maybe what you can do to prevent that from happening. I took the tank cover off because I want you to see what's going on here. So actually, let's look at this right now. You see this white stuff that's floating around in this water? I'm not sure if that's just lime or is it styrofoam, whatever it is. I just want you to see that because here's some too on the side. Yeah, that's lime. So I'm going to bring something up in a minute. But first of all, what happens is we flush it, right? And there's a flapper down here, and I wish you could see it. Oh, there it is. See that black round thing I'm holding up right down here at the bottom? That is the flapper. So what happens when your toilet acts like this? The way it's acting right now, this is how it's going to work. That's because that flapper doesn't close and seal the hole down there properly. What happens is if nobody really knows, they walk away from the bathroom and this is happening at that moment, your well pump, if you're in the country like I am, your well pump is running continuously to try and fill this tank, which it will never do. Or if you're in the city, it's trying to fill again, but you're wasting money. You're going through a lot of water consumption. And in the city, you also pay for water waste, like the getting rid of water. So that's costing you money too. So there's a couple reasons for that. Sometimes you can just flick the handle again and it'll lift this flapper and it'll go down and it'll seat properly. But there's a other issue that's going on. Maybe you need a new flapper, okay? The flapper comes with the hinge that's on the top there, that white thing. It could be where the hinge comes onto this post here. It could be building up with that line like I was talking about, that white stuff that's floating around. That white line could be building up on the hinge here on this post, and you just have to take this off and clean it and make sure that that doesn't happen again. Now, if you look right there right now, I just rested that flapper down into place and the tank isn't filling. So this is what happened the other day when I had family members home and I wasn't here. It took a while before they found out what was going on, but nobody knew what to do. But really all you need to do is this, keep an eye on it. So all I did was lift the handle and it brought the flapper up. Flapper went down and seated itself properly. But there's a problem here. It's either the flapper or it's probably the hinge down here that the flapper rotates on. That hinge down there is built up with lime or something like that and causing it to stick. So see now, when that flapper goes and seats itself properly, your tank fills up and then it will shut off the water. It'll stop asking for water and water. You're not wasting water this way. This is the way it's supposed to work. If this has happened to you, make sure to check those things and also talk to your family members, whoever the other people are in your household, and explain to them, maybe when you flush the toilet, don't walk away so quick. Pay attention. You can tell if that flapper is slightly open and the tank's not filling up with water. You can hear it after a while, but let's say they don't catch on to that. Just tell them to hang around at least until the tank fills and the water shuts off. Or if they realize there is an issue later on, just go down there and flip that handle. It'll probably solve it. If it doesn't, lift the tank off. They can set the flapper down or play, maybe it's stuck on that hinge, like it's stuck here. They can release it from there. If there's water in there, tell them not to worry about it because that water is clean water. The toilet water down in here isn't so clean. You don't want to put your hands in there, but up here it's perfectly clean. I thought this was a good video to share with people because this happens a lot to people and the money they're wasting on water, or maybe they're going to burn out their well pump. It's going to be a costly repair to fix that. You don't want that. And this is such an easy thing to talk about with the other people in your house and an easy fix too. And stay tuned for a future video because I'm going to actually change the flapper on this toilet and I'll do a whole tutorial video on how to do that. If this video has helped you in any way, please give it a thumbs up so we can spread that video further and help other people out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.